How to share Instagram profile link. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. After updating Instagram, open up Instagram on a device. Now wait for the app to open. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now on the profile page, simply tap on share profile. Now wait for some time. Now simply tap on copy link. Now if you want to share the link, tap on share profile. Now select any social media platform and then you can share the link with your friends and family. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.